Charlady? What does that mean?
So the next one up for our tier list is the Charlady. So you know I was telling you the Vanishing Lake won this contest, and they liked the runner-up so much that they also added that one in.
What does that mean? What is a Charlady?
Make up what a Charlady is. Go.
Okay. So once upon a time, there was a woman who lived in a house in the middle of the woods by herself. And everyone was really scared of her, and they would tell the legend of the Charlady because she would be covered in
char.
Yeah.
What is char?
I'm thinking of like, what's the like, the stuff that's like, it's tar. It's the tar lady.
I think of a female Charmander.
I think of, okay, so it's like between like being covered in tar and she's like a goopy monster in the woods, or it's a the charred lady, and her body's like charred.
Oh.
Like gross. Either way, it's a scary woman who lives in the woods by herself. I can like see the dance, like I can see the dance. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Like
okay. Yeah. It's got a true shape,
Yeah.
some personality.
Nice. I really like this one. I would dare say put it in S tier.
Ooh. Our first S tier ranking. See, I had it at a very comfortable B.
Whoa. I can like see the dance. Like I already, like the song like has the dance already.
Yeah.
Like you don't really have to like do too much too crazy. Like the dance is already there. Put it above Vanishing Lake. And I would put it next to Rambling Rake. Yeah.
I think that's gonna be a debatable one. I'm gonna stick with you on that. I think the Charlady's got a lot of.
You hear my argument. Though.
Yeah. Oh no. I see a lot of. Since the beginning, I saw a lot of potential with the Charlady.
I do like it better than Vanishing.
It's. I don't know if it's better than Vanishing. I don't know if it's better than Vanishing, but.
Well, I like it better than Vanishing.
I know. Okay.
So it's my opinion.
We'll put it there. Yeah. Hey, at the end of the day, it's opinions. I think it's really cool that the Charlady has a 24-bar set piece that you don't have to repeat on the left foot.
Which is very nice.
So you can effectively like.
Just go to town.
You know, what's your best trick and what's your stronger foot to do that trick, and you don't have to repeat it, you know. So
right.
So yeah, I think that's a really cool thing. I don't think it's very underutilized right now.
So goopy char monsters.